Woo! Yeah! Your girl is in the village. You can tell by the look, by the surrounding. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asteria if you are meeting me for the first time. So welcome to my space. And welcome to my village. So I am home. I came home for a wedding. And yeah, I thought let me just get here and greet you guys. Welcome once again. Thank you so much. By the way, it is harvesting time, as you can see outside the field. This is the field there. And I am going to take you through the field, show you little things that we have planted. Or maybe I have already done a house tour of this house. I've already given you guys, there's a video about my village house tour on my channel, which I did earlier this year. Was it this year or last year? Or maybe earlier last year. So if you want the tour of my house, our village house, my parents' house, go on and search for one of those videos. Yeah, so you'll see. Let me just show you guys one of the things that, is it vegetables, whatever, but yeah, this is our Omahangu field. We plant a lot of things in the field, mixed up. By the way, we don't have a culture of like separating Omahangu on the side and maybe watermelon on the side, or maybe beans on the side. We plant them right mixed up. That's how it is. So yeah, let me show you one of the things that we have here. Yeah, these are beans. They have already collected the beans. This is, I don't know what is it called in English, but it's not a watermelon. But yes, it's a sister to the watermelon. Yeah. Yes, so I am hoping I will find a watermelon so that I can show you guys. But no, this is not a watermelon either. This is so huge. Wow, this is so big. This is actually big. Oh, wait. I saw like a little melon. This is like a little watermelon. Yeah, it is matured, but this is the size of it. So I'm taking it. Let me show you guys how we do the things here. So this is it. I have to look for a ground where I can hit it and open it and see if it's really watermelon or not. This is not ready. Oh my word, this is not ready. I just wasted something. Goodness. Yeah, I'm going to throw it there. My mom must not see it. Look at these boys. Where are you going? Why are you following me? Amoipe. Eh? Atenipe. Hallo. Eh? Atenipe. Sonny? Atenipe. Eh? Eh? Oh, aye. See, come in. Where are we going? Atenipe nishmara ndoranche. Eh? Okay, go back in the house. Chuneni megumbo ne? Chuneni megumbo? Tarangwe? Ngatu chaye? What? This here, a toilet, a latrine. Not these fancy flushing toilets, but it's a latrine. Yeah. So guys, this is the Omahangu millet. You see it? These are the Omahangu seeds, millets. Is it millet? Oh, I don't even know. Yeah, but this is Omahangu. This is how it is. This is how it is. You know, during the harvest time, you just come and cut off this part. We gather them somewhere where we we'll be smashing them so that these seeds can come out. As you can see, they are easily coming out. You see. So you need to smash them and separate the remaining head from the seeds, and then we store. So this is how big the field is. Our field is, but you know, the rain this year wasn't so good. That's why it looks like this. Usually when it rained very well, you will not even be able to see the other house on the other side, because they will be long and nice looking, really like well fed. But for now, this is how they look. So this sand, we use it to more like plaster the whole ground. As you can see, there's a lot of it gathered here. So we come with water, smash it well, and then we come mix it with water and we start to rub around, and more like plastering. And this is what we use to make our traditional beer, malodu, inja. This is what we use. So this is more like flour now. It is purposely made like this, not so fine, not very fine. As you can see, there's still some particles. Not so fine, because the sack that we use to filter the water out has very big openings, and we don't want the remaining thing of it to mix. Yeah, that is what we use to make malodu eja, or Namibian traditional beer. This is what we use to cook pap, but it's still a whole long process to go before it reaches to the pap making. And I want to show you where we get that from. We get it from this, it is called sorghum. Is it sorghum or soyam? Yeah, this. If you look very well closely, focus. Come on, focus. There are seeds here. These are seeds. When it's dry, we put it in water for more like fermenting, but not really. Yeah, more like fermenting, but just to make it soft, so that when we have to pound, it will be soft. And then when we pound it, it turns now to that which I was showing you there, where my mom just put it under the sun so that it can dry. Yeah. Anyways, I have said a lot. Now, and I'm tired of walking around. I'm going to go back inside in the house. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I know I've said a lot of the not so good grammar, but anyways, we move. We are not from England. You understand? So thank you so much for watching. And always, to my returning subscribers, thank you for always returning to just watch my videos and check my channel out. You guys are really helping the channel grow, and I'm grateful to everyone, even to the new subscribers, even to the viewers that have not subscribed. I'm still hoping that one day you will find it in your heart to subscribe. Understand? So yeah, when that time comes, please don't ignore it. See you in the next video.